Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we're making a super refreshing and tropical drink, KOU SUMAI. Perfect for summer, this creamy pineapple coconut cooler is packed with flavor and chill vibes. Let's start with the ingredients. 1/2 cup of coconut cream, 1/2 cup of pineapple chunks, straight from the tin, drained. 1/2 cup of pineapple juice, also from the tin. 1/2 cup of cold milk. 8 fresh mint leaves, 3 tablespoons of sugar syrup. Adjust to your taste and 5 to 6 ice cubes. Now let's blend it all together. First, add the pineapple chunks to the blender. Then pour in the pineapple juice for that sweet tropical punch. Next, add rich coconut cream. This gives it that silky island flavor. Pour in the cold milk to smooth it out perfectly. Add sugar syrup to sweeten the drink naturally. Tear and drop in those fresh mint leaves for a burst of cool freshness. Finally, add the ice cubes to make it super chilled and smooth. Now blend everything on high speed until it's silky, creamy and frothy. Pour this dreamy drink into a tall glass. And for the perfect tropical touch, garnish it with a slice of pineapple. Wasn't that easy and delicious? If you liked this recipe, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. See you next time with another refreshing recipe. Take care and stay cool.